the newest hotel here at the north side of the Las Vegas Strip. It just opened last December of 2023. It is the sister company of the Fontainebleau in Miami. You will see a lot of blues here and a lot of bow ties. It took 18 years to build this hotel and cost $3.2 billion. This is the second most expensive hotel in Las Vegas right now. Today, we will check out our beautiful room. We have a strip view, eat some good food, and explore this place. Let's find out if 18 years of waiting is worth it. And off we go. Thank you, Jess. Check-in was pretty easy. No one's in the queue. I also got an upgrade from a standard king. I am now upgraded and even on a high floor. I'm very excited to show you my room. Let's check it out right now. Ooh, fancy! 37th floor. Wow! Let's go in and check our room. It's just white. Wow. Hello! It's quite a heavy door. It's very new. Behind me are a lot of buttons. It controls the light. And we will put on privacy right now. On this side is the bathroom. It's very luxurious. Let me show you. This lit mirror is so nice. You can see yourself well. The tones of gold and blue is perfect. You've got an his and hers right here, or his and hers, but I'm by myself, so hers and hers. And on the left side is the loo. I really appreciate that it's a new toilet tissue. Sometimes they reuse it. On the right, this side is a walk-in shower. It's huge. Here's the good and the bad in my shower experience. The pros are softest towel ever. I wish you can feel this texture. Also the shower head. That massaged my back so well. The not so good are the shampoo, conditioner. You're kind of on the masculine side of the spectrum in terms of scent. It was really hard taking them out of the container. Let's continue. And here you can see a really nice, mega-sized, full-length mirror. This is the whole room right here. We will test the bed. Yes, it's good. We can roll like a king size. This is the side table, and you could see here the control for the lights and the drapes. Yes, I am keeping this. It's so pretty. This is the cabinet. Let's check what's in it. It doesn't have that automatic light. Maybe it's busted. They have the robe again, and then they have slippers right there. Very good. Locker. You have a lounge over there. I could just hang there all day, fronting the large TV right here. I think they're all censored, so be careful. If you don't want them, don't touch them because you will be billed. I really love the bow tie handle. Here we have, yes, there is a fridge here that is censored also. Ooh, is the glassware very nice. Very pretty. Here, oops, your personal fridge right here. I just read their prompt and it looks like you have 60 seconds to decide whether you like it or not. A coffee table there. Let me know in the comments if you've ever encountered a coffee machine inside the room in Vegas. And here is our view. Cool, this is the Las Vegas Convention Center, the airport over there, and of course the Sphere, and the rest of the strip is right there. We're gonna try everything new here in Las Vegas, and our next video will be an experience at the Sphere. Subscribe so you can see it next week. I'm hungry. It's time to go get lunch. I'm not even there, but I could already smell the delicious food. Let's try their fries. Dip into their ranch. Their ranch, you have to ask for it. Waffle fries right here. The ranch is delicious. Let's try the fries, just it. look at that. Caramelized onion bacon jam. Secret schmear. Patty over there and American cheese. Pickles also. It's delicious. Bobby flay. Right there. Let's try this out now. Or this burger. That's hard. So far, I only have 5,000 steps. So my goal is to reach 10,000 steps, which is easy here in Vegas, right? That thing over there is called Oceans. It's supposed to be the artist is thinking about the oceans in this arid desert of Las Vegas. It has the motion of the ocean. Do you see it?
No, we're more like dim sum style.
Okay, no potatoes. This is Chess Bonbon. It's 24 hours, so that's great. If you're playing in the casino, you feel hungry, this is the place to go. This looks like a great breakfast plate.
Looks like some people think that we sell books. Some people have thought that they were like jewelry.
That's what I thought. I love this shop. You have everything.
You've been here before?
No, first time. Outside is actually 58 degrees, but inside here it's pretty comfortable, probably like 72. You have a serious gym right here. And this is where I get my free water. Yes! It's time to go to the Sphere. Only a mile away, but if I walk it, it's 45 minutes. And it's an 8-minute drive, so I think I'm just gonna Uber. Then I'll be back here in Fontainebleau, have some dinner, but I don't know what's open. Here on the second floor, they have Komodo and Poppy Steak. Looks like there are 3 main restaurants here. Mother Tongue, Don's Prime, and Q. I had beef a while ago, so I'm staying out of steak. Mother Tongue is in LA, so I can just have that anytime. I'm choosing Q, something new. These are their drinks. It's so cute. That looks amazing.
Wonderful, yes. Nice sizzle on the rice
For
there.
this one, I'm getting the stone pot king crab. There's the king crab right there.
Yep, king crab. There we go. Some of our fried rice is being a little tricky at the bottom. There we go, I got it. Please enjoy.
Appreciate it. They serve Asian cuisine. It's from yakiniku and barbecue. I'm here late. I only have 30 minutes before they close, but they allowed me to eat in. Let's try it. Hot. Texture of the rice, I could see it like a little bit crunchy, so I'm excited about that. But it's hot. It's the egg. This is the king crab right here. It's a good dish. Very filling. I'm the only person left here in this place, so I better scram, play some casino, and do some cocktails. I actually have a $50 bonus from the F&B department, so all good. So what do I think about Fontainebleau? The cost of my stay here is only $192, and I also got upgraded. Plus, I have a $50 F&B. So for my stay, I think it's super worth it. It's super new, everything is so clean and fresh inside. The rooms are indeed luxurious, very modern. I'm surprised they have USB-C outlet. Now that's a modern hotel. Not a fan of their toiletries. Also it needs vanity mirror, but the robes are so plush. The thread count, super good. That room is very nice. Food-wise, I like dining here. It did cost me $30 for a food court, food hall, restaurant, but that was gourmet. A lot of shops are still not open, but that's okay. It's still nice to go around. Things close a bit earlier, although they have a 24-hour cafe. But I wish their gym still open after 7 and their spa is open at night, like 10 or 11 p.m. I can't wait till the pools are open, and I really wish that I can come back for the pool. If we're talking about a luxurious hotel and you want to be in the center of the action, I love Bellagio and I highly recommend it. If you want to see that video and you think it's going to be worth it for you, watch this video. See you next time, and off I go.